Hi, I'm going to be talking today about Gene Aitchison's lecture called A Web of Worries. So basically, this lecture was kind of talking about how um, people have worries and complaints about how British English is being changed or destroyed. But as we've kind of learned throughout the lesson, throughout the weeks, language, doesn't get destroyed. It simply changes. Uh, yeah, and one thing that I thought was interesting, that was related to what we learned in our class, was that it was talking about how sentence structures in some languages are different, and so like um, it talked about how verbs are usually placed inside of a sentence. But I guess in Welsh, the verb comes at the beginning of a sentence, and in Turkey, um, the verb comes at the end of the sentence. And knowing what we know from the lessons that we studied in this course, based on a non-linguist point of view, I mean, um, these would be unacceptable. But to a linguist, it's a different way of saying it. It's correct. It makes sense. And in a linguist point of view, like it wouldn't matter whether you start the sentence with caught the spider fly, as it was giving an example, or in Turkish they say the spider the fly caught, um, or if it's just genuine like traditional, the spider caught the fly. Um, but to a non-linguist view, you know, um, this uh, these different ways of saying it would not be acceptable. So I kind of thought that was interesting. Um, and yeah, hope to see you in the next video.